everybody. So today I'm going to show you the latest batch of seeds that I just bought. It's from a company I just found. They are from Nova Scotia. It's called the Incredible Seed Company. I've never heard of them before, but I was in the market for some loofah seeds because the seed companies that I normally go to, they were unfortunately sold out. So when Googling some Canadian seed companies, this popped up. They had loofah in stock, which if you don't know, are a gourd that they use for bath products when they dry out. So I'm going to be trying that out. But yeah, so I found them online. They had loofah seeds, and I picked up some more goodies from them as well. And I'm going to be showing you guys what I picked up from them. So here we go. So first up, whoop, so these are the loofah seeds that I got right there, again from the Incredible Seed Company. So these are going to be some gourds that grow. I'm going to dry them out and hopefully use them as, like a scrub kind of bath product that you see, everywhere. So I'll let you know how that goes. That's going to be fun. Next up, I've got some Parisian carrots. These are going to be very interesting. So these are kind of like more like a small stubby ball type carrot. I'm very excited about these. I love carrots, and I'm very excited to give a new style a try. I've never tried these before, so I'm excited. And next up, we have another type of carrot. It's lunar white. This is your kind of like standard long carrot, but these are supposed to be white. And again, I haven't really grown colored carrots either, so this is going to be fun. Again, I'm very excited. I really love my carrots. And then we've got Romanesco broccoli. I think most people at this point know what Romanesco is. It's kind of like a fractally looking type of broccoli, and I've never tried it. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked on these. Yeah, this is going to be fun. And then I've got some Chioggia beets. Again, these were sold out from the seed places that I normally go to, so I didn't actually think I was going to get any this year. And then when I grabbed the loofah seeds, I saw they had these in stock, so I picked them up. These are the beet that is like the white and red spiral on the inside, and they're really cool. They're one of my favorites, so I am excited that I got some of these. And next up, I'm going to butcher the pronunciation of this. I am very sorry. Is the Aconcagua giant peppers. These are like a long, sweet style pepper. They are new to this company and they're new to me, so I am going to give these a try, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Sometimes I have a weird year with peppers, and sometimes I have a great year with peppers, so yeah, I will let you know how that one is. And now I've got some shelling peas. You guys saw me in the other video, and they're behind me, do the sugar and snap peas, and you can grow sugar and as snap or shelling peas. These ones, this is green arrow peas. These are specifically a shelling pea. They're an heirloom variety, and we love peas in this house, so I am very excited to get some more peas. We're just going to be pea crazy and have them all over the place here. And last up is ruby red rhubarb Swiss chard. So not everybody likes Swiss chard. I love it, especially when it's sauteed with bacon. It is delicious. So again, I actually didn't think I was going to do Swiss chard this year, just like the beets, but I'm excited. Yeah, I am. I'm going to pop these in and see how it goes. So yeah, that is all the goodies that I got. Again, I'm trying this company out. I've never heard of them before, but I'm very excited to try a Canadian seed company because, again, we're in Canada here. So it's the Incredible Seed Company out of Nova Scotia. And yeah, you guys can see how everything grows along with me and follow along, and you can decide if you want to try them out yourself. But thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. But whatever you do, you are awesome, and have an amazing day. No-Till Growers has sent me something. I mentioned them in my last video. So they sent me another hat. As you saw in my last video that I was rocking. Ooh, that is awesome. So now I have two colors. I am super excited to wear this.